हो negative या फिर positive fashion, we have the ultimate last word from Page 3 pioneer and Bollywood expert Simi Chandok. So let's party and shoddy with her. Simi, welcome to the show.
Hi, Supreet.
सिमी सबसे नॉन इंटरेस्टिंग बात फैशन वीक की ये कि स्टार्स ही गायब थे.
I think that's the most interesting part. क्यों नॉन इंटरेस्टिंग बात? In fact, जब स्टार्स होते हैं तो बिल्कुल फैशन को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं दिया जाता है. The focus totally changes on the stars, and I feel this time the stars were where they belong. That is the front rows and not on the ramp. So other than the few idiots who walk the ramp, you know, the wannabes, the real stars were where they belonged, in the front row seats.
But do you think people were missing that star presence in any way?
I don't think so. In fact, designers बहुत खुश थे इस time. Finally, you know, they have realized after so many years of messing up their careers and their shows, सारे designers इस time यही बोल रहे थे कि जब stars आते हैं वो पूरा mileage ले जाते हैं, and you know our shows are forgotten. Nobody talks about our collection. But then, hey, who started this whole thing? It's the designers who started this whole trend of making the stars walk on the ramp क्योंकि उन्हें publicity मिलती थी, and then suddenly इतनी publicity stars को मिलने लग गई कि डिजाइनर्स के नाम ही भूल गए हम लोग.
तो जो थोड़े बहुत स्टार्स चले रैंप पर, लेट्स जस्ट हियर अबाउट देम.
Actually, I think थोड़े बहुत नहीं चले. जब चले तो वो काफी चले, but छोटे मोटे चले. Like Riya Sen, she's so choti and her legs are so moti, man. What was the deal? So I really think she has a nice face, but I don't think she should be walking on the ramp in a short dress. Look at her legs, Supreet. She is so fat.
And Diya और जायद खान भी थे, right?
Oh, दिया एंड जायद खान, दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि दिया को मैंने रैम्प्स में बहुत ज़्यादा एंड स्क्रीन पर बहुत कम देखा है. अगर जितनी उन्हें मेहनत उन्होंने रैम्प्स पे की है ना, उतनी अगर वो मेहनत कभी सिल्वर स्क्रीन पे कर देती तो शी वुड हैव बीन अ बिग स्टार. बट आई डोंट नो, शी इज ऑलवेज वॉकिंग द रैम्प. हार्डली एनी फैशन शो आई गो एंड शी इज नॉट वॉकिंग द रैम्प, और शी इज नॉट सिटिंग देयर, और शी इज नॉट पोजिंग. शी एंड फैशन शोज आर जस्ट टाइड अप टुगेदर.
एंड हाउ डिड जायद फेयर?
ही वाज ऑलराइट.
रैम्प के स्टार्स से हटकर फ्रंट रो के स्टार्स की तरफ चलते हैं.
Yes, you can see Sonam Kapoor right there at Anamika Khanna's show. And in case you want to ask me about the show, I'll tell you. अभी बोल देती हूँ, show बहुत disappointing था. It was this opening night for the fashion week, and Anamika Khanna is a very established designer, and people had great hopes from her. People were gasping, when is the show going to start? And they thought there'll be a beautiful collection. But I think it was very inspired by international designs and international designers. It definitely didn't look like summer to me. And you know, if you look at those pants and everything that she's made them wear, it looked like a man with a fetish for butts and asses had designed the whole collection. And you know, if you're going to focus so much on the butts, then have models, nice cute butts walking the ramp. Don't have low slung asses there. Give us some cute butts, you know.
So Sonam must have brought some value to the show, right?
She did, but I mean, she looked like a disaster for the first time. She's such a style diva. She's always well dressed, but here she was, kuch collar pehne hue and white, and there's a little bit of black, and you know, she had straightened her hair. Her hair was really long, and I'm not kidding, Supreet. The moment I saw her, I'm like, gee, she really looks like Simi Garewal did in her Rendezvous days. And then the moment the show gets over, who do I see? Simi Garewal wearing something similar in white, and there's Sonam there. And I'm like, if Simi Garewal had not cut her hair, they would look so alike. And I actually told Simi Garewal that. You can actually check it out. Look, they're looking alike. Sonam is just looking like Simi, not Chandok Garewal.
जो करीना का ये मूव है, ये क्या हो रहा है?
I don't know. I think she's probably very conscious being without charisma with her or Saif Ali Khan. She looked really pretty, very simple and elegant, but she was constantly fidgeting with her hair. So either I think she'd already seen the collection and she was bored, or she was just very self-conscious because she was alone.